Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to book Alaska Airlines with Avios. First, enter your username or membership number and password. You'll likely have to do two-factor authentication with your phone or email to log in. After logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the homepage. Now you'll see your name in the top right hand corner. From the top menu, select Book and then book a flight with Avios. You'll be redirected to a new screen where you can enter your search criteria. If you are trying to book a going with points deal using British Airways Avios, you can enter the information from that deal alert here. You'll be asked to enter the departing airport, arrival airport, departure date, return date, and preferred cabin class. After clicking search, you'll be presented with all the available flights on the requested day. You'll see all available flights that can be booked with Avios, plus how many seats are available in each cabin. When you're ready to book your flight, click continue. Now select a flight and confirm your booking. A new screen will open with your itinerary. To finalize your booking, you must have enough Avios in your account first. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.